Day number 19, 30-day crypto.com challenge. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I was watching this earlier today of UFC and crypto.com presents. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. We're back in the captain spreadsheet, and we're getting ready to buy crypto.com today, right now, on December 9th, 2021. Now, we're going to get this right in COINBASE.com. If you don't have a COINBASE.com account, click on the link below. Start right now. It's free to go ahead and join. So let's go ahead and get some crypto.com. And we're going to go ahead and get $50 worth of it once again. Now, we got $50 yesterday, so it's going to be the similar numbers that we put in. So it's going to be $48, 1 cent, $1.99, and let's see how many tokens we get. 82 right now, because the price has dropped some since yesterday. So let's go ahead. It's 58 cents, and let me go look at here. It's 59 cents. Okay, we're going to use the 59 cents, obviously. So 59 cents, and we're getting it on during the dip, as they call it. And we got $82 worth, 82 tokens of crypto.com. We almost to our goal. We almost there, everybody. Thank you for following me. Who's with me since day one of the challenge? Even if you got in today, yesterday, congratulations. So let's change the date here on December 9th. And the average buying price is still, okay, average buying price is 70 cents. It's going lower and lower. And let's say today's price is 59 cents, which meaning our profits is even lower or even higher or even lower, $415 negative. We change this on the 19th, and we have a goal in the future. We have no plans of selling this in 2021. And we're going to look in 2022, see where this goes throughout the year. That's the plan. But the plan is to get 4,000 tokens of crypto.com, $57.28 in fees, and $24.78 crypto.com amount paid. Congratulations. You're still in this. We're almost there. We're almost done. We got about, what, 10, 11 days left of the challenge. So when I go look at things like this, let me go ahead and buy now. And then when I look at prices like this, let me refresh this. Man, I just don't see this being 58 cents. Even a month from now, I don't even see it being 58 cents. That's just my opinion, not financial advice, based off the research I did. And we did together. This is it. Day number 19 is done. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me on the challenge. 30-day challenge in the book for day number 19. I'll see you day number 20, and we'll be adding it right here in the captain spreadsheet. Thank you so much. My name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow, day number 20, on a Friday, December 10th.